Yo, welcome. This is our 2004 Lexus ES330, and guess what? I'm gonna show you how to replace the alternator. You see it over there. Jane. This is easy, alright? So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Okay. Don't forget to support the channel. Yada yada yada. Blah blah blah. I'm just gonna keep it short. You know what it is, alright? Let's get it. Hey, check the website out. Check the website. Get your merch, alright? Get your merch, hoodies, anything for your girl, for your dog, your babies, kids, anything, alright? Check it out. Alright, come on, let's get it. Axtuo. Yeah. First, we're gonna disconnect the battery, alright? We're gonna do the negative, which is the ground. And we're gonna come over here. Let me give you some light. Alright, here, better light. Alright. Now we disconnect the battery. Okay. Now everything is over here on site. Everything is on site. Remove this. That's gonna be 10mm. Then this guy over here. Squeeze it like that. Squeeze it like this. Pulse. You come out. It's gonna be 10mm. It's gonna be free. This guy over here, 10mm too, look like a 10mm. You said 10mm, 10mm to 1, 10mm to 2, 10mm to 3. Alright. Yeah, pretty much. Alright, once you hit it with the 10mm, pop, just like that. Now we have that adjuster down here. Okay. Is that better? Alright. So, yeah. You see the one on the side though? This one, we're gonna lose that one first, okay, all the way. Don't remove it though, just lose it all the way. And then we're gonna lose this one. I'm sorry. I'm gonna lose it, and then the alternator is gonna start going down, okay? But, I'm sorry. I'm gonna lose this one too. Okay, we're gonna lose it. So the alternator goes, move, and yeah, pretty much. There's another one holding it, which is at the bottom. Yeah, we're just gonna lose it with the 14mm socket. 14, you know what I'm saying? Just like that, pop. Just gonna keep it loose, alright? Alright. That one's gonna be 12, okay? That's the one that I told you gotta lose it. The one on the side. I'm gonna lose it. You can remove it, it's okay. No biggie, no biggie. This one right here, 10mm, we're gonna remove it, okay? Pop, we set it free, okay? We set it free, alright? Seems like eventually we're gonna remove this one too, this one, because that one hold the bracket for the alternator. Alright, we'll get to that, alright? Alright, now this one right here, I'm using this extension, long extension, 3/8 swivel, 3/8 12mm socket. Alright, pop, and this is the adjuster. This is gonna make the alternator move, so the bell loosen up counterclockwise. You see the alternator dropping, the bell loosening. You see it, right? The bell is good to go. Now maybe a little bit more. Doesn't match. Okay, we're gonna come down here like that. Pop. Now you push. Wanna remove this bolt. It's gonna be a long one. Pause. There you go. There you go, guys. Okay. Move belt. Good. Now it's loose over here. Now we just gotta wiggle it out. 10mm for this one. That hold the AC line so we can play with it. Now like I said, wiggle it. Now it's out. Now you just gotta find a way through here to remove it. Okay, loose this one over here too. Push this out. Push the clip out. Pull it up. Now you gotta play with all these things. Shouldn't be difficult though. We're almost there. Ta-da! Now there you go. Alright. Through here. Move this. Pull it out through here, alright? That's how it look like. Raw mold. This is the adjuster, okay? I remove the bolt that I go across. The bolt is just gonna go across. Okay, just like a channel here. So this bolt is gonna go here. Like that. And on this side, it's gonna be the alternator. Okay. This side. Like this, so it's gonna go like this. Alright, so when you tight this, it's gonna lock it in position. I didn't have to remove this bracket, so we're Gucci. The alternator is gonna sit here. Alright, and that's it. Now get your new alternator, put it on, and pretty much it.